Here's your chance to win a real Texas trophy hunt experience. We're giving away a full hunting trip at Chital Lakes Ranch in Bertram, a beautiful hill country spot with open land, lakes, and plenty of wildlife. You can enter until December 25th. The grand prize includes a trophy fallow buck hunt, a whitetail doe hunt, and a 3-day, 2-night stay at a private hunting lodge. Lodging and meals for 2 are included. Spots are limited, so don't wait. Grab your entry now and take your shot at a true Texas hunting adventure.